My dear viewers, how to convert nitrobenzene to benzoic acid. Nitrobenzene, that is C6H5NO2, react with tin, that is SN, and hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, at the presence of heat. Types of the reduction reaction. Product from aniline. Aniline react with sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid at presence of 0 to 5 degree temperature. Product from benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride applied KCN and CuCN at the presence of heat, that is potassium cyanide and sulfur cyanide. Product from cyanobenzene, or the others name phenyl cyanide. Phenyl cyanide hydrolyzed. Product from benzoic acid. Okay. Next conversion, how to convert nitrobenzene to aniline. Nitrobenzene react with tin and HCl, that is reduction reaction. Okay. Product from aniline. Thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you, students.